At number 7, opposite attacker, Shivana Laput. At number 11, outside hitter, Shane Reterta. Player number 13, center, Juliana Tolentino. At number 15, middle blocker, Amy Provigo. And at number 22, middle blocker, Katrina Del Castillo. First libero, player number 5, Laika De Leon. And our head coach, Mr. Ramil De Jesus. And now it's time to meet the starting lineup for the Pintura.
It means na mag-stop tayo sa
At number 3, middle blocker, Royce Delacruz. Player number 6, middle blocker, Angelique Ledesma. At number 10, center, Natalie Estrelier. Player number 21, outside hitter, Vanessa Sali. And at number 25, outside hitter, Gia Makila. The libero and team captain, player number 19, Lara Silva. And our head coach, Mr. Oliver Almagro. This is match number 6.
Service will come from De La Salle,
which is Tolentino. Back set. Set to number 11. Reterta. Nice dig by De Leon.
Nice dig by De Leon. Set to Shivana.
First point of the match and it's a long rally.
Larry. First point pa lang.
Middle.
Sobrang haba na ng rallying ito.
Oo nga, coach. And the team to win 3 sets wins the match. It's just the first point. Ayan. Masyadong mahabang rally ito.
Every team has a good defense na pinapakita sa first point pa lang.
Tolentino sets to
Laput
Laput.
point for De La Salle University. And
Kung pwede lang bigyan ng 10 points yun, coach.
Yeah.
Right? Player. Sari gets that point. Letran, by the way, is the runner-up of the latest. Score is 2, serving 1. Laput
backline hit from La Salle and a point.
and Reterta.
That's Reterta from the back line attack.
80 season, 86 I think or 87 this year. Tingnan natin yung difference na nawala sila, coach.
For the next season. You can see, you can hear the cheer from the crowd.
They're into it.
Yeah.
So Laput there had maybe an unforced error. The beach volley champion, beach volleyball champions of NCAA.
That's another point for Laput.
Powerful smash.
Powerful smash.
And a hard floater there coming from her always. Makilang, dug by Canino. Laput.
Tolentino to Laput again.
Silva, ever reliable libero.
From Letran. Still good.
But it was called by 2 for La Salle. That's
Katrina Del Castillo.
Del Castillo. The middle blocker, the one who replaced Magagalang during the NCAA season 99 is that she was awarded as the freshman of the year in the indoor tournament, but she's also the rookie of the year and MVP of the beach volleyball. So we will see more of her in the future. Quite a promising lineup for Letran.
This is a good preparation for both teams para sa kanilang mga upcoming big leagues, the NCAA and UAAP.
That push by Sari earns a point for Letran. Can you think of famous with Letran during her collegiate time and contributed so much in the national team for the women's volleyball? So you're quite sure that these ladies are future superstars of the Philippine volleyball. With that,
makikita mo sa mukha niya na talagang she's willing to win every game.
Even during her junior years, she's quite that, what we call this, aggressive. You can see in her, the tenacity. So she's questioning.
There's a clarification from
Yeah.
Angel.
But of course, the first referee always has the last call.
9.
Nice receive by De Leon.
Set to Canino.
You can see that she's on top of the blockers.
Yes, Coach Shirley.
By Angel Canino.
So, and now Saire, jumping serve. Laput, blocked.
But it's good. Another for Laput. Another powerful hit from Laput.
That was a cross-court attack. That is correct. So Coach Oliver or the Letran has no timeout left. Gusto kasi niya sana stop na yung mga service to watch a talented player in the Letran side of the court. The setter, Estrelier.
Catches the line. Incredible time
Cross-court
power
spike.
for Angel
From
Canino.
Angel Canino. Set of the match.
And sabi nila, medyo mahirap daw talaga i-receive kapag lefty ang nagsiserve.
That's
Oh.
Estrelier, but chance ball for Lasal.
That
Good,
was Estrelier again.
Another for the Terta, but it's denied by Letran.
Okay, nice attempt. Nitura.
Itura giving that point for Letran.
Powerful smash by Nitura.
Ngayon ay
Itura.
ibaba na sa 6. Lasal is Del Castillo.
Makilang.
Ilang.
This time it was called by referee Patrick Del Castillo that the ball touched the floor.
It was a good variation from Makilang. Nakitang-kita.
The floor, no?
That was a good serve from Letran.
Sayang.
Estrella setting to Sari.
Nice dig again by De Leon.
And that broken ball. Wow.
De La Cruz showing that she can still do it in the middle. Medyo silent kasi siya.
Yes.
The first you really prevent errors from piling up. Canino, nice dig by Silva.
Still good. Sarig. That's Tolentino to
Laput.
Laput.
Estrelia's dig was out of bounds. And with
Now
that,
we're at a set point for Lasal.
serve specialist. Rightly so. Laput over the blocks.
It's Laput who ended the first match, the first set of this match.
You can see the disparity in the height there. Right now, Letran have to adjust. And by saying that, the same error is being committed by Estrelier.
Giving the first point of the second.
Hindi basta-basta.
That's
Back set.
Estrelier setting to
Colendra.
Colendra. Giving the first point of the second set for Letran. Having said that, the tandem of
Letran for the beach volleyball tournament. So they will defend and have that three-peat na gusto nila. But this time, in the indoor volleyball scene, Lasal wants to end the game. Nice receive by Silva. Sari.
but it's denied by Laput.
Colendra.
Colendra giving another point for Letran.
Yeah, using the arms of Canino and Provido. Cruz is still serving for Letran. De Leon, middle,
Leon giving to Provido
power tip.
and making it a point for Lasal.
For De La Salle University.
You can see that kind. Middle is activated. Nandun si Canino.
Strong hit.
Getting that point.
Jersey number 12.
She sees the gaps in the blocks.
Canino making it sure that she will get that point for her team, which makes them the 4
Gaining them
point.
points. Colendra again. See?
Yes.
Great hit.
Using
for
the
Lady
arms of the
Knights.
blockers.
Laput serving for Lasal.
Nice receive by Silva.
Australia set to Sari. But it's denied by
For
Lasal.
Lady Spikers.
Del Castillo and Tolentino tandeming in front of Lasal. You know, the average height maybe is around 5'9". Back set to Laput.
To Laput.
Nice dig by Silva.
Australia reviving it. Setting to Makilang. Tolentino
Canino.
to Canino. Making sure it's a point for Lasal.
She's way above the blocks of Estrelier and Ledesma. So in volleyball now, it's
When
quite
the second six of the lineup of Lasal, you can see the height. It's only the two liberos na talagang medyo not good.
Canino.
But it's blocked.
Nice
by
coverage
Soler.
by Laput.
Duterte on the
Estrelier.
backline attack.
Reterta. Yeah.
Colendra setting to
Makilang.
Makilang.
Reterta.
It's the long rally for the second set.
Makilang.
These two teams giving us the first long rally of the second set.
Nandun si De Leon.
Leon,
This
Canino.
one.
Still save by Letran. Chance ball for De La
Free
Salle.
Del
Tolentino
Castillo.
is
Power tip again.
still good.
And that ball is called out by the line judge. Canino is disputing it.
Yeah.
All right. But again, you know,
Score for Lady Knights.
Canino's still trying to
Make
clarify
clarifications with the referee.
with our referee Edwin Eusebio.
TM
But still, they lead by 5. 10 serving 5.
Tolentino to Del Castillo giving that
Through the block.
point for the
For
Sun.
the Lady Spikers.
Another aggressive player.
There's a miscommunication.
Blocking. Lasal still dominating
That's a strong
That
hit.
was a good play.
by Ledesma.
Yeah.
When they get good passes converted to an opposite hitter.
Abby Maraño. It's Reterta.
Yeah,
But
coverage
it's denied by
Provido.
Letran. Letran reviving
Ball
it.
still alive.
Chance ball for De La Salle. Tolentino giving to Reterta again, but it's denied by Letran. That was a good intention from Tolentino.
Score now.
So she has an eye for the Tolentino, the setter, serving.
Sterlier giving it to De La Cruz. The ball still good. Sterlier to Colendra. Tolentino giving that play to Laput.
Such a strong
That was
and
a
powerful
little shorter, no? Laput, but she'll be more formidable pa kapag na-perfect niya yun. Colendra,
What a way to finish that
finding
game.
ways also for Letran.
Yes.
They have to really get it together para dumikit sila sa Lasal this time. De Leon was there. Laput again.
Such a
One block.
powerful hit.
It's an easy target for Laput.
It's again another powerful hit. Foul substitute to Ledesma. Colrenda setting that ball.
Looking for that spark for Letran. Nice.
Nice
Big.
receive.
And it's out.
Out of bounds.
Provido serving.
That's
And-
Colendra again for
Yeah.
Letran.
The only shining
LPU
LPU.
Manila. That's a good reception given by the libero, but sabi ni Del Castillo,
The prototype middle. Nice receive.
denied by Del Castillo. Chance
Obrago
ball
was
for
checked.
Lasal.
Del Castillo.
It's Tumayaw. Tolentino setting to
Sindayen. So the timing was off. You know, it happens.
Point for Lady
Yeah.
In
Knights.
serving. Another substitution.
That's a sure serve.
Laput.
And that's how you finish
Back row attack.
set number 2.
And
Laput ended the second set of the match.
dominant display of power service ace by Lasal in
To
the
greet our players from LPU Laguna. And now it's Francesca Rodriguez. Coach Ramil using Rodriguez on the third set.
spectacular dig there by Makilang. Okay,
Point
first point
for
goes to
Delta
Lazal.
University.
So Laput was way tournament.
Now LaSalle is using the new libero here. We have Rodriguez.
Martin earns a point for Letran.
We will see, Coach, if Letran will limit their unforced error on this set.
Yes, but by saying that, Coach,
For Lady Spikers.
Ledesma was checked by Provido. Wala pa si Baby Jane Soreño. So they have a deep, deep bench.
That was a good running hit for Ledesma, pero naiangat ng Lasal. And
Powerful hit.
having that hit from Laput.
If I were, diba?
Yes.
So you will commit more unforced errors kasi iwas mo sa kanya.
kanya. Tolentino
Set to
giving that
Del
to Del Castillo. Silva to Martin. Tolentino to Shivana
Medyo
again.
mababa pa yung set. Dapat taasan konti. Makilang.
Matangkad kasi itong si Laput. We are having a rally here, but Laput ended it with a cross-court attack.
But jersey number 7.
Laput is showing how
Years
she...
from the bench.
But no
But-
mercy. Nice pancake by Tolentino.
That's a chance ball for Letran. Setting to
Martin.
Martin, trying to get that point. Tolentino to Canino. Still good.
Down the line attack
Down the line
by
attack.
Canino.
But it's a misreceive coming from Colendra of Martin serving for Letran. Iterta to
Del
Tolentino.
Castillo.
Good by Colendra. Makilang.
Makilang.
But it's denied by De La Salle.
Just naglalaro ng volleyball, but when her brother here played for basketball, dun siya nakita and na-discover ni Coach Ramil.
Sabi nga nila, hindi mo may tuturo ang height.
Totoo
but
yan.
the skills. But makikita mo rin sa Letran kung gaano sila ka eager na makagawa ng point for them.
For Lady Knights.
That is right. Makilang asserts her wares here.
Just a very
She's
strong
trying to prove every in the front row for Letran. Del Castillo there, spiking that ball. Blocked. The set was
You can
too
see that
close.
kanino on top of the blocker.
Oo. Tsaka medyo short kasi yung pagbato.
Still good.
Makilang.
Makilang.
Laput is present.
Chance ball for Letran. Esterlia giving to
Makilang.
Makilang again. And it's Makilang. Got that point for Letran.
The pancake was there. Hindi lang to.
Tolentino.
Estrelier now serving.
It's De Leon setting the ball to Reterta. Blocked by De La Cruz. Shibana seeing that hole in the middle.
Yeah. The ball's still alive. Del Castillo this time.
Castillo this time.
First time I saw her smash the ball.
Ball. You know what, Coach? This is a good opportunity for these both teams as their preparation.
Tomorrow naman. So maybe they're trying and pushing today, no? Looking for other things to do para bukas. Maybe they'll try to surprise Lasal.
Yes, we will just see who will win on this match.
for Lady Knights.
And with that, Laput.
What? That was a
A highlight
set.
spike. Right. Pwede na pang TikTok yun.
yes
Reels
of Tolentino to Amy.
Amy Provido already with Tolentino right now. Provido,
Estrella giving the
very
ball to
explosive.
Colendra, but received by Rodriguez. Still good. Oh!
And with that, see, Coach Oliver Almadro. Nitura was part of the starting six in the first set. Ngayon lang siya binalik uli.
It's Laput giving that point for Lasal.
And the blocks, there were gaps in the blocks. Since
Laput, Cortez,
and
Canino.
And that explosive spike
Yeah.
by
You can
Canino.
always hear the crowd when it's Canino. Point lead for Lasal. Estrella giving that
De La
ball
Cruz,
to the Cruz.
blocked by
And
Cortez.
it's Cortez. I guess it's the first point of Cortez for this match. And now we're having our
De La Cruz fighting it out with Cortez.
That's
Escandor.
given to Escandor. Estrella to Colendra. And
Nice placement
Nice.
there
Good.
by Colendra. Raagas was too far.
15 serving 24. Raagas to Riterta.
Ayan.
Still denied by De La
Back
Cruz.
set to
Escandor. It's a drop, but it's good. Martin in the back row attack, giving that point for Letran.
So Letran is trying to say for Lasal.
That was a good serve from Estrella. And it's Cortez who ended the match.
You can hear the boom of that smash,
Yes.
Coach Hazel, and with that, LaSalle wins the match. So LaSalle now is ranked first with a 3-0 win-loss stats, while Letran,
took the second, the ranks 2.
only
of the-
LaSalle defeated them in the tournament. So they will still face each other tomorrow in that championship match inside the USEP gym. So we are inviting everyone tomorrow to come and watch live or via Facebook in the Madayao